Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your voice in Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're gonna see options like live, video, go live, chats and me. Tap on go live, then go live. Now on the bottom left corner, you're gonna see options like comment, 3-line menu and match. Go ahead and tap on 3-line menu. From there, go ahead and look for the option mixture. There you'll see you can adjust your mic volume, enable in-ear monitor. Then you can also enable or disable intelligent audio effects, and you can see other categories like music effects and equalizer. Go ahead and select the one you like, then you'll be able to change your voice on Bigo Live. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your voice in Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.